In front of me is OPPO A5x, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or a video file to text message. Begin by launching Messages and selecting or creating a chat. Now to add any video file, use this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom right corner. Hit video over here if you want to record it. Switch your camera to the one you want to use and record. Then tap on blue button to send your video. If you want to add already existing one, use the same icon. Scroll and click on your video here. If you can't find it, select Photos at the bottom left corner. Click on your video and tap on Add at the bottom right corner. Then send it the same way. In order to add an audio file, click on this plus at the bottom left corner. Select Files. Click on Audio at the top and select it here. Look for it in one of those apps or tap on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. Either way, to add your file, click on it. To create it and add it, use this icon at the bottom right corner and operate all of those options at the bottom. Lastly, hit Attach. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!